In this video, you will learn how to derive the general form of any arithmetic series starting from any arithmetic sequence. So we need to know how to derive this formula if we cannot remember it. So here we go. The first thing you need to do, you need to put some like a sequence. For example, the easiest one, just start with 1, 2, 3, 4, n minus 1, n. Okay, now you need to write the same thing, the same one. This is s, you can call it s. Write another one, same as this one, but just in the opposite form. So start with n minus 1, n minus 2, and up to 1. This is the same one. So now we add this to this. So what we will get? We will get 2s is here, and here what we will get? 1 plus n is 1 plus n. 2 plus n minus 1 is 1 plus n. 3 plus n minus 3 is 1 plus n. And all this thing, n plus 1, n plus 1. What we just did, so we took a normal sequence, and we add the same one but in the opposite y, and we find that all terms are equal. So these terms are exactly same as this. This is equal to n times 1 plus n, because we have n terms of 1 plus n. So we can write our 2s is equal to n times 1 plus n, which means s is equal to n times 1 plus n divided by 2, which is the first term plus the last term divided by 2. Now we can write it as this. The first term, s, is equal to n times the first term, which will be t1, plus the last term, which is tn, divided by 2. And you can see this is same as this. The first n times the first term plus the last term, everything divided by 2. So from this one, we can also derive the second one. This, we know that t1 is equal to t1. t2 is equal to t1 plus d. t3 is equal to t1 plus 2d. So if you go up to tn, you will find that tn is equal to t1 plus n minus 1 d. And this, we will just replace tn with this value. Instead of tn, we will put this value. So our Sn will be n times t1 plus this, which is t1 plus n minus 1 times d divided by 2. And this is equal to n times, so we have 2t1, t1 plus t1, which is 2t1. So we write it as 2t1 plus n minus 1 times d divided by 2. And this is exactly the same as we have here in our formula. So this is a very good way to remember these formulas, and you can see we will be using them to solve some exercises. And if we don't remember them, we just start from this technique and use this method to derive our formula.